Okay, so I've got the Mk1 Escort imported from Forza. I've never seen the model before, so I don't actually know what's included. It looks like we've got a lot of components. What we'll do is I will just go through them, and we will import them one by one. I'll just set the front view. Oh wow, look at that front end. That looks good, doesn't it? So I'm just going to set that to the front. So now if I hit the front button, it takes me back to there. Oh wow, look at the detail on that. Let's see what else we have got then. We have got loads of components. There should be a body. I tell you what I'll do is I'll sort it by name. Makes it a little bit easier. There's the body. Let's insert that. And oh crikey, look at that. Wow, that's beautiful, isn't it? That's the body then. And the fenders, we will add, let's have a look then. Let's go for some door sills. Just press enter and it positions them automatically in the right place. Door jambs. Okay, looking good. Door handle left front A. I think that's probably both the doors. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Gosh, that looks fantastic, doesn't it? That's beautiful already. Oh, I'm looking forward to having a go at rendering that. That's going to look amazing. So we need a hood. Oh, let's go for floor. Let's put the floor in it. That could be the internal floor, which is rendered. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the tunnel. Mega, look at that. Oh, got a pedal box. Brilliant. Right, let's see what else we've got. I won't bother with brake discs or any of that stuff, and they don't come with wheels, these models, so it won't have any wheels at the end of the process, but we can fit wheels ourselves, do that manually. Get some mini lights on it. Right, that's the bonnet. The hood, you've got an internal and an external component to it. Let's just see if we've got an engine. We normally have an engine. We've got some seats. Let's put the seats in and press enter. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Right, steering column. Basically it's all these components. We've just got to insert them all one by one, but that will take forever, so let's just go through. You can't do a Control A, insert everything, which is a shame. Insert that. There's the boot lid. These SLOD components, I think, I'm not quite sure what SLOD stands for, but they appear to bring in all the internal components. We've got, is that a fuel tank? Yeah, it looks like a fuel tank, no spare wheel. If we put the trunk, as they call it, back on there, it's always even got the Ford logo, look at that, brilliant. Then there's going to be an engine bay. I know there's going to be an engine bay. So let's look for engine bay. Let's go for that one there. Insert now. Which engine is this going to have in it? The Escort aficionados should be able to tell me. No engine at all at the moment. We've got a radiator though. Wow, look at that. Strut tops. Got some hoses. That radiator's beautiful, isn't it? That's amazing. We've got this one here, engine bay A. What does that do? Does that give us? That's the underside of the bonnet, or the trunk, as they call it. No, sorry, where are we? Hood. Oh, hood's already missing. Right, let's just get rid of that. Let's hide it again. So we need an engine. There's an engine. Ah, right, okay. So is it a Pinto or a Crossflow or a... Oh my goodness me. Look at that. It's a Twincam. Wow, it's got the carburetors on it. Airbox. That's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Wow. What a cool model that is. Right, well we're missing a fair few more components to add in. Let's chuck an exhaust on it. There's no harm in doing that. In the back, yeah, she's sticking at the back now. We need to probably look at the dash structure. Let's put that in, and bingo, there it is. There's the dash. Let's just get the space navigator and have a look. Right hand drive. It's got all the clocks. It's got the heater. control, steering wheel. That's brilliant, isn't it? Isn't that amazing? Right, so we will now need to look for a few more bits. Centre console structure. What does that do then? That might be the gear lever, and it is, and the seat belt mechanisms. There we go. I won't bother putting the rally bumper on it. I don't think we need that. We've got bumpers there. Bumper F, that must be bumper front, and it is. There's the bumpers. Bumper side marking, no, we'll leave that. Centre stack bezels. What does that one do? This is the first time I've seen this, so I don't know what all these parts do. Oh, that's this section here, underneath the dashboard. Gosh, look at the detail on that. It's even got all the switches. Amazing. I've got a few more bits to go because we've got some gaps, so we'll just see if we can find what they are. We've done dash structure, we've done the engine bay, the floor, not doing brake discs or any of that stuff. Glass front and rear, glass side windows. What else have we got? A grille. Where does the grille go then? Does that go in the front? Where's it going to put that? Oh, it's on the front. There's the front grille. Yeah, very cool. Headlight bulbs, we won't bother with those. Do we want the mud flat? Pillar trim. Here we go. This will insert all the missing bits inside the cabin. There we go. Press OK. I just got to do the door cards, haven't we? There's still a bit missing there, isn't there? That might disappear when we put the front windscreen in. Rear seats, let's put those in, why not? And that's very cool. My mum used to have a Mexico. Bright yellow it was. That was a beautiful bit of kit. Didn't know it for long, but it was a great car. Yeah, very fond memories of zooming around in a Ford Escort when I was younger. Wipers, trunks, tail lights. We need the door cards, don't we? So let's go up here. Door card. Insert that. I'll actually put the door cards in, and I need to explain what they are. And we've got the actually the handle to open the door, and we've got the manual mechanism to wind the window up and down. Still missing a section here. I wonder if that's the windscreen. Let's have a look for glass front and do an insert, and that'll put the windscreen in, which isn't transparent. Okay, right. So I think in Blender, if we set that to transparent, it should. Yeah, that will go transparent. It'll cover over that section that we could see below. I think that's it. I know on the RS200 we could put suspension on. Suspensions, what does that one do? It must be the rear axle. Is it just the rear axle, or do we get dampers? No, we don't. We just get that. Undercarriage. Let's try that one then. Okay, what's that done? Oh, okay. Transmission underneath the engine. That's the prop shaft going to the. Oh, that's quite cool. I can't see how that would work. Going to the rear axle. Right, okay. Let's have another quick look for. Oh, we've got roll cage. Do we want to put a roll cage in it? Let's put a roll cage in it. We're gonna go. Yeah, roll cage race. Insert that. I'm just going to place it inside. Oh, we've got a roll cage. Look at that. That's amazing. It'd be good if we could get something like this 3D printed, wouldn't it? Get a perfect scale model for a radio controlled car. Right, so I think that is going to be it. I don't think there's much else I can do at the moment. Without boring you to death, going through all these individual components and see what they all do. I think that's pretty good as far as the engine goes, the car goes. Got these control arms. I wonder. I don't think they do what I think they're going to do. I've tried these before, and if I insert a control arm, I think it puts it underneath the car. Yeah, I think it's gone underneath. Yeah, there it is. Look, there. Yeah, I don't know why it puts them there. Right, just press V. That'll disappear. There we go. So what we need is front and rear suspension, some wheels fitting, and I think then we're good to go. Doesn't that look fantastic? Let's just see what it looks like with the hood on and the hood light spotlights fitted to the hood. Oh, nice. Oh, that's looking good. And you do get all the glass. If I do that, we'll put the glass into the spotlights. There you go. We've got some mud flaps rally. I might try that. There we go. How cool is that? What a great model. Rear window. Let's should we put a rear window in there? Glass. Rear window. What does that one look like? Glass. That could be for the side windows. Yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll construct all those components separately, then import them as one single component, little bits. But there we go. That's the Mk1 Escort. A few bits missing, but most of it's there. They're only missing because I've not gone through and tediously worked my way through and worked out what's what. Oh, hang on, bumper rear. There she goes. Look at that. That's amazing. If we go up to inspect and display mesh face groups, you get pretty colours, and the colours change according to the density of the triangles. That's amazing, isn't it? Look at the detail on that. It's even got seatbelts. Wowee. So that's taken from Forza, it's exported into FBX format, and it's then imported into Fusion, so we can play with it. Then we can just do one more thing. We can go into render, into the render workspace, and oh, it doesn't look very pretty there, does it? Let's add some colour to it. Go into appearance, and we can go into Fusion appearances. We choose a paint. We'll go for paint. We'll go for glossy paint, and we'll choose some. Oh, it's got to be yellow, isn't it? We drag and drop that onto the various parts of the car, and it starts to change colour. Once I'm careful where I drop it, it should. Yeah, there you go. That's all the yellow bits that need to be yellow. We can choose another colour. We can go for black parts, and then I can put that onto the roll cage. Hopefully, yeah, got the roll cage. Seats might need to be brown. I'm not sure what that's going to do if I drop it on the seats. Oh, okay. Well, they look quite cool, don't they? And the back seats. Oh, nice. Door trims. Have I done that bit? That one down there. Yeah, there we go. That's looking pretty good. It's a lot of black. Steering wheel black. Centre console black. Yeah, pretty good. Door jambs. Just need to get rid of the doors for a second. Door handle left and right. There we go. Get the yellow, drag it onto that bit there. And the door internals I think are also yellow, so we need to get rid of the door cards. And the door cards were there. Here we go. A bit more yellow. Here we go. I think that is now the shell completely painted. So if I now go back in and put the door cards back in again, put the door. There we go. Job done. Right. Okay. Close that down there. Okay, there's a few more bits need doing, like the bumpers. Oh, I tell you what, we can do that now, can we? Let's go into appearance. It's going to let me. Come on. No, it doesn't let me do it now. Yeah, it's got its knickers in it, I suppose. I probably need to save it. But anyway, that basically is the Mk1 Escort. Doesn't that look brilliant? Very, very cool. Yeah, good. So I'll export that, throw it into Blender, and then see what we can come up with when we start rendering it with a proper render tool. Brilliant, great. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment, and stay tuned for the next video.